What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Jeff? Quick demo video for you for your Spectre 6. If you follow my channel at all, or if you looked the other day, I just uploaded a full install video on this particular saber. This is the one I did for you. So this installed the CFX. It's got CC sabers in here for your lit PCB. It's a 2-button setup. I made the activation up here. You have a hidden tactile underneath this neoprene. You can almost see it right there poking out a little bit. But that's your activation. The trigger mechanism here is your auxiliary switch. And then the red toggle switch, when you flip it forward, it goes over to blaster, and then your auxiliary switch controls the blaster. So that's why I did that there. It has a static battery with recharge port. So how you want to get to everything is you just want to unscrew the pommel. And we'll take this off. Try not to drop it. When you take that off, you'll see your speaker right there. So what you want to do is, that speaker has a handle. So you just grab that handle and pull the speaker right out just like that. And it's got a micro DIN connector on one side, and then it's got a locating peg over on the other side to help you orientate it when you put it back in here. And if you can see that in the light, my lighting is terrible. See if we can get this. Yeah, right there. You've got access to your SD card, your micro USB on your CFX. You can see that micro DIN connector over there, and then your recharge port with the kill switch, or with a kill key. So what you want to do is, I've taken that kill key and I've lopped 2 sides of it off, so you can take a pair of needle nose pliers and grab it out. I don't have needle nose pliers on my desk. I just have my wire strippers, but it's the same concept, right? So you just put them in there, grab that kill key and pull it right out. And then obviously we're not going to hear any sound because we have the speaker in. So you just want to line up that speaker nice. You'll feel it when it goes in. And you can just push it in, and it locks it in place. And then take your pommel and then screw it back on. So you have all of these stock sound fonts on here. The first sound font, if you ever look at your SD card, is named Blaster. You do not ever want to mess with that guy or change it or change the number sequence. It always needs to be first. It's the first sound font, and then you've got all your other stock fonts. Because obviously it controls the blaster, right? So when we turn this on, get your LEDs firing up in there. Auxiliary over here. Now you can see that the light's on, right? But when we flip this, you can see the light right here. But when we flip this forward, it detracts the blade, and now the auxiliary switch, this trigger, controls your blaster until you flip it back. When you flip it back, it automatically ignites your blade again. So we're going to put a blade in here and we'll test out a few fonts. This takes a 7/8 inch NeoPixel blade. So you do have a blade retention screw right here that I put in here for you. So due to the weathering of this emitter piece, this is an extremely tight fit on this guy, so I didn't have to use your blade retention. You might want to. We're going to go to another sound font though. We'll just hold down our aux switch, which is the trigger.
Sound bank selection. Crystal focus. Crystal focus.
Nebula.
Granny.
Revolve.
We'll go back.
Granny.
If you find one you like, just hold a button down. Now, of course, if you just tap the aux switch, it's going to give you a battery meter. This is just a small test blade, but this is set up for a full length blade, so you'll see your battery meter on your blade. So you can hit activation. Got your smooth swing, auxiliary. That's your blaster deflex. If you hold it down, you get blade lock up. And then we'll switch this over. And then you just press the trigger to get your blaster. And then flip it back. It lights up your blade again. Just like that. And then we'll take the blade out and go over just putting the battery back, or the kill switch back into the, or the kill key, sorry, back into the recharge port. And once you get the blade out, we'll just want to come back over here and unscrew the pommel. And then I usually take a pair of tweezers or something so that I can grab this kill key and just put it right back into the recharge port. Well, you got to take the speaker out first. Grab the speaker, pull it out. Super easy to do. And then we'll take this kill key and put it back in the recharge port. Just like that. And now the saber is dead. That's pretty much your saber. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I will get this guy out in the mail to you today. All right, thanks.